These are the most powerful chords in rock and metal songs. In this video, I will show you different ways to play the power chords. If you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Please consider subscribing to the channel and activate the bell to receive all the new videos notifications. Let's first understand what power chords are and why they sound so powerful. They consist of two notes, the first and fifth notes of the major scale. For example, in the C major scale, the notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. The first note is C, and the fifth note is the G. When you play those two notes together, you have what in theory is called perfect fifth. We'll get deeper into that later in another lesson. Now you can play the same shape on other frets. The note played with your index finger gives the chord its name. This is also good for you to help you learn the notes on the fretboard. Moving up a string, you can still play the same chord shape with the same fingers. This chord played on the 3rd fret is the G chord. Another way to play power chords involves open strings. The E power chord uses the open top string with your index finger covering the 5th and the 4th strings at the 2nd fret. Moving down a string with the same shape, you get the A power chord. You're probably wondering if there is no other way to play this chord. Actually, there is. Power chords played on the 4th string are a bit different. An open D power chord has the 4th open string, your index finger on the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Adding your pinky finger can make the chord sound bigger. When playing the G power chord on the 4th string, you can add your pinky finger on the next fret, like that. Now let's practice these chords in different progressions. You are probably asking yourself how to figure it out if the chord is major or minor. Regarding major or minor chords, power chords can be both, as they lack the 3rd note of the scale that distinguishes major from minor. For example, the C major scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. The notes of the C power chord are C and G. The note E, which is the 3rd note of the scale, is the one that distinguishes major from minor. Important tip, only play the strings your fingers are on to avoid excessive noise. I hope you liked this lesson. There are many more to come. You should make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, and don't miss the next videos. If you want to know more about me or my private lessons and my online courses, please check my website at www.rodrodriguez.net. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.